What I've done now is you can see I've totaled my accounts. So let's look at what my totals are. So you can see for my accounts receivable debit, my sales revenue credit, my total is $5,000. So this is the end of the month. I'm going to now put this into the appropriate ledgers. So you can see my $5,000. I've got my ledger accounts 112, which is the accounts receivable, 401, which is sales revenue. So I go in and I debit accounts receivable $5,000, and I go in and credit sales revenue $5,000. Next, my cost of goods sold debit is account number 505. My inventory credit is account number 120. My total amount was $3,000. So I go in there and I go ahead and debit cost of goods sold for $3,000. I go ahead and credit inventory for $3,000. Next, I have my cash receipts journal. My total cash that I'm going to debit is $4,900. That's account 101. My sales discount will be a debit, a total of $100 into account 414. And my accounts receivable is a credit of $5,000, and the account number for that is 112. So again, I go into the ledgers. I go ahead and post my debit of cash for $4,900. I go ahead and post my sales discount of $100, and I go ahead and credit accounts receivable for $5,000. Next, I have my purchases journal. I go ahead and total that. That's $4,000. My account I debit is inventory, account number 120. I go in and debit inventory for $4,000, and I'm going to credit accounts payable, which is account number 201, and I'm going to go ahead and credit that for $4,000. After we are posting these accounts to the ledgers is when we're actually putting in the account numbers, just as a verification that we've posted it to those ledgers. Last one, cash payments journal. I'm going to go ahead and debit accounts payable, account 201 for $4,000. I'm going to credit inventory, $80, that's account number 120, and my cash of $3,920 to my cash account number 101. So, accounts payable, again we show a debit of $4,000. Inventory, we go ahead and credit for $80, and cash. For the cash, we have $39.20 as a credit, that's account 101, and we've gone ahead and posted that. As you notice, I've now totaled all our accounts. So I'm going to erase some of this, so make sure you have a copy, and we're just going to go ahead and prove our ledgers. So I will go ahead and leave the ledgers out and real quickly prove them. So, let's first of all look at our general ledgers with the debits. We have cash, accounts receivable, inventory, sales discount, and cost of goods sold. Cash balance is $980. Accounts receivable is nothing. Inventory balance is $920. Sales discount is $100. And our cost of goods sold is $3,000. So that gives us a debit total of $5,000. For our credits, we have accounts payable, which is nothing right now, right? It's zero. We have sales revenue of $5,000. So we've gone ahead and we have proved our various ledger accounts. So next I'm just going to give you some examples for some homework problems.